So, what is economics? We often hear about economics from media or even the street, a term used in a lot of different contexts, ranging from politics to business. But what does this actually mean? The definition for economics states as follows: it's the social science that studies forces of supply and demand and how resources are allocated, focusing on aspects such as production and consumption. And what does this mean? First, we need to understand that our world has limited resources, as there are finite trees, metals, computers, phones, and so on. But on the other hand, human needs and desires are infinite. The problem that economics tries to solve is how resources can be distributed efficiently in order to satisfy the maximum quantity of needs. At the same time, economics subdivides into two subdisciplines, microeconomics and macroeconomics. While microeconomics studies how individuals and firms take decisions to distribute resources, macroeconomics tries to explain economic behavior as a whole, analyzing indicators such as total output, unemployment, or inflation. And what does an economist do? The economist's job is to analyze economic data to help economic agents, such as governments, institutions, individuals, or businesses, to take good decisions. And which are the most well known indicators? First, we have GDP, which measures the total output of an economy. Generally, as GDP grows, a nation tends to get richer. Then we have unemployment, which tackles how many people which are in the age of working, which constitutes 16 or more and are active searchers of job, do currently not have a job. Then we have CPI, Consumer Price Index, which is a most common way to track evolution of prices. So, what is the conclusion? First, we know that economic originates from limited resources and unlimited ones. Second, it subdivides into microeconomics, which studies economics from a small scale, and macroeconomics, which studies economics on a bigger scale. Third, the job of an economist is to help economic agents to take informative decisions. And fourth, the most used indicators in economics is GDP, unemployment, and CPI, Consumer Price Index.